Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the font size in Canva. Whether you're designing a flyer, a social media post, or a presentation, adjusting the font size can make a huge difference in readability and overall design. First, open Canva and head into the project you're working on. From your dashboard, either start a new design or open an existing one. Next, click on the text element you want to edit. When it's selected, you'll see a border appear around it and a text editing toolbar will show up above your workspace. In that toolbar, look for the font size option. You'll notice it displays the current number that represents your text size. To change it, you can either select a preset size from the drop-down menu or type in your own custom number. Typing in a specific size is great if you have exact requirements or want a precise look. As soon as you adjust the number, the text on your canvas will update instantly. Take a moment to preview how it looks. Make sure it's easy to read and balance with the other elements on your design. If it feels too big or too small, don't hesitate to tweak the size again until it fits perfectly. Larger text is great for headings you want to stand out, while smaller sizes work well for supporting details. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font size in Canva. A simple adjustment, but one that can completely elevate your design and make your message clearer. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.